Sir, let's get into action. I want interaction from you also because if you do not know, say you did not know about it. If you know, fine, it's okay. Even if you are wrong, there's no problem because an individual cannot have all the knowledge, right? I can see many experts in technological field here, but may not have idea about disabilities. Anyone knows how many types of disabilities are there? Or which are these? Which are those? Siddesh?
Sir, even Parkinson is disability according to 2016.
Yeah, exactly. So, any other disabilities that you all know? Okay, fine, very good. Yes.
Palsy, cerebral palsy.
Okay, fine. You should be able to approach that particular place, that particular facility, or for that particular examination center, right? Not just a canteen. And more important, if the person is traveling from Mitchell to say Margao or Vasco, the first and foremost thing we never realize that it is the washroom which the person has to use. You can lift any person to classroom or anywhere, but what about the washroom? He should not be made dependent even to use the washroom. Right? So most of the places we don't have accessible washroom bags. Creates a major hindrance for the society. Okay. So there are some guidelines for conducting exams. One of it is right. The other one is at least compensatory time. Every one or at least 20 minutes. Okay. So that is being described here. And who should be given this facility is also there.
Directorate of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship in association with Office of District Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities. We have organized our awareness workshop on Disability Act for people with disabilities. So this was organized for all 10 government ITIs all over Goa and our head office, which is in Penjim. So people were made to know what this act is all about, what are the requirements these disabilities people face, and how do we assist them and help them out to come out and do their jobs and work in the routine daily way.
So experts कोण आयले हांगा सर to teach them for a workshop?
So today we had 4 experts which actually they were from various disabilities. Like for example, we had Mr. Vishal Nagwekar, he is from the forest department. So I learned locomotive disability, then he explained about that. Low vision people were also there. Prasad Joshi from GMC Goa University and various other interpreters were there who are part of the advisory committee for the Commission on Disability. So they brief and explain everybody on the
Yes, thank you so much. Your good name?
I am Akshay Shirvekar, Assistant Director and Principal of Prudent.